y'all doing? So look, girl, are you ready for a haul? Y'all know it's that time of the season. Your girl be dishing out them dollars, cause I said I wasn't buying nothing. I'm not buying a whole lot. What I decided to do, y'all, was just like buy my skincare for the year, so I won't have to like be spending money throughout the year. I did that last year. I bought up a whole lot of skincare stuff. Now I recently purchased a lot of under eye creams and stuff like that, but that's okay, y'all, because my skin has been thanking me for so much stuff. So let me stop talking and get into this video. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and get your coffee and stuff like that, so I won't have to rush through the video. I could just, you know, like take my time. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff, but then I'm gonna come back later. I already did swatch, but I'm gonna come back later, y'all, and actually like just break some of this stuff down for you. Okay. Ulta, Macy's, ColourPop, and I don't know what else, y'all, whatever else we run across. But from Ulta, they had the 20%. I bought some stuff, y'all, that took me into the diamond status at Ulta. I'm much more excited about that than I am Sephora stuff. I am close to being Rouge with Sephora that I don't know if I'm gonna make it, y'all. I'm gonna place an order tomorrow, but I just don't know if I'm gonna go there with Sephora. But anyway, I don't know. Might be close though. I might actually make it. Not that I've tried, y'all. I didn't even try with Ulta. It just happened. But anyway, so I got to try the Lime Crime plushies. I wanted to try those out, and I tried these on, y'all. I got chocolate milk as well as cola, and these are really cute. I wanted to try these out, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it, y'all. I tried these when I got home from work. This is the chocolate milk, and they're matte and they drying. See, there's that one. Can y'all see that? It's really, really pretty on the lips, but I find that I have to keep putting it on and keep putting it on, and I don't know. These might not make it. These were $20. I got 20% off, but I don't know if they're gonna make it, honey. And this is the cola, and that's the color of the cola. But aren't these cute? Here is cola. I don't like the formula on these, and I don't like the fact that I have to keep applying them. So I might actually have to return these because I'm just really, there's cola. They're pretty, but you gotta keep pounding them on and keep pounding them on. And I put some on, then I had to put a lip balm on top of it. So girl, I just don't know if we're gonna make it. I am really into skincare, y'all know that. And so what I did last year and what I'm doing again this year is like purchasing my skincare for the whole year for next year. So, and now is the best time to purchase your skincare, girl, because you can actually get skincare, the sets, at great prices right now. Yeah. I got a free sample of the Lime Crime Velveteens, and this is in the Lena. And I think this is like a metallic color. The colors are gorgeous, y'all. It's just that the formulas are, I don't like the formulas personally, but there's that one. Isn't that pretty? Can y'all see that? Yeah, there it is. It's a really pretty like metallic color. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. I also got the, let me see, I ordered like right much stuff from Bare Minerals, which I don't normally do Bare Minerals that much, but I got the Starlit Skincare Kit by Bare Minerals, and in here you get the what is this? Skin longevity Vital Power Infusion, and also the eye gel. So that's what these look like, and they were only $44. So I decided to give this a try. Now is a perfect time, y'all, to try out stuff that you've been wanting to try. That's why I'm sitting over there with all that stuff in my Sephora basket. What is this? The Skin Longevity Vital Power Sleeping Cream. Y'all, I have really been into sleeping creams lately. If you have not tried a sleeping cream, you definitely have to try a sleeping cream. And at first, you know, I was like, that's so unnecessary, girl. It is totally necessary. Trust me. I have been getting so many compliments on my skin lately at work and stuff, and everybody's like, what are you doing different to your skin? What are you doing? Like, it's just different. I get compliments all day long. And the only thing that I have done differently is I started using sleeping mask. And I gotta show y'all like sleeping mask for my eyes and just sleeping mask in general. I need to come on and do a review with y'all for you about some particular sleeping masks that I have been using. But so this is what that looks like. I'm gonna do that review, y'all, because seriously, this is a really dynamite product that I need to tell y'all about. So with all of that, with the Bare Mineral stuff, I got something else Bare Minerals as well. This is what I got for free. I got the little pouch, and inside it came the Lash Domination mascara, a Gin Nude lip lacquer, as well as a Prime Time foundation primer sample pack. And then I also got the sample of the Vital Power Infusion. Yeah, I'm telling you, now's the time. I already said it, but girl, go purchase your skincare sets right now. And this is a cute little pouch, little makeup bag that I can use. I also picked up these Bare Mineral Ethereal News. Is that how you say it? Bare Mineral Ethereal News for $29. I actually used their some of their other, y'all know these are just really good. I love the way they feel on my lips. Even the nude ones. I can wear Bare Mineral Nude lip glosses because they feel really nice on the lips. But anyway, I wanted to pick up this Meaningful Beauty by Cindy Crawford. I want to say I used this some years ago and I really actually liked it a lot. This says Get Up and Glow Morning Essentials. So this is like for the morning, which is a environmental protecting moisturizing broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So you got the sunscreen, a cleanser, as well as a serum. Because sometimes a lot of this stuff works hand in hand with each other. So I decided to pick up this Doctor's Dermalogic Formula Ageless Trial Travel Set. And this it cleanses, treat, and moisturizes. So I got this. I forgot how much this was. But anyway, I picked this one up here. And I saw some really good reviews on this. I do read reviews, y'all, but at the same time, I like to just really try stuff out myself and see what I think. You know, I like to try things for myself because a lot of times these reviews are skewed anyway. So in here you get the Glycolic 5% Exfoliating Wash, Glycolic Toning Complex, the Pro Retinol Complex 3 Moisturizer, and the Wrinkle Resist Plus Pore Minimizer. So you get all 4 of those. So yeah. When you start getting wrinkles, girl, you got to do a little bit more, honey. And keep in mind, this is my skincare for the... I really haven't been ordering a lot of skincare because I mostly get it at, you know, around this time of the year. So I decided to pick up this Peter Thomas Roth Get Wrenched set. This is a 3-piece kit. This was $52. And in here you get the Cloud Cream Cleanser, the Hyaluronic Cloud Serum. I'm really big into serums too, y'all. As well as the moisturizer. So all of that. And then I also got a sample pack of, what is this, unicorn hair that came from Lion Crown. Y'all know I'm not putting that in my hair, right? I got enough issues going on. So no, I won't be putting that in my hair. A lot of skincare items, y'all, that I ordered last year, I actually use the heck out of that stuff, and I really have been enjoying my, you know, just trying different stuff, because really you find a lot of stuff that will work, or you know, you get to try a lot of things at this time of the year. What is this, child? Let me see, can I read this? I can't hardly see. This is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Y'all remember the one that I swatched for y'all and told y'all I was gonna go back and get? This is the Snow Flushed Skin Finish. Feast your eyes in person. Y'all, this thing, let me come closer, honey. Check that out. This is so gorgeous. I don't usually buy highlights and stuff. Look at that. Can y'all see? Y'all might can't even see that. Let me, child. And it don't even do it. You can't even get the gist of this. Like, and I can't really, y'all, let me tell you, when I say beautiful, like, I'm going to do a get ready with me and use some of this stuff, y'all, because y'all going to be like, wow. Like, yo, This is so gorgeous. Now, I wouldn't wear this to work, but like a night out or just, on the weekends or something. Y'all see that? I don't even get into highlights like that, y'all. But this one, and I don't know, it just looks so good on my skin. Like, like sometimes you can swatch stuff and then you're just like, but this one just looks so good on my skin tone that I was just like, yo, I gotta get that. And then what I got from Macy's. Macy's sent me the Ritual of Happy Buddha. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a body scrub. A body scrub. And they also sent like some other samples. They sent me a Dr. Karen Cashmere Essence, Mist Essence, a Burberry perfume. So I got all of those. Now from what is this? I ordered something else, y'all. I have become obsessed with the Juvia's Place palettes. And I ordered some for gifts this year for some of my loved ones. That's what I got over there. Some gifts, girl. Yeah, your girl's getting her gifts. I usually be about finished by now, but I got a late start this year. So I got this Saharan by, I think it's the Saharan by Juvia's. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, their packaging will get you, but the shadows, oh my goodness. Now I have, is this my fourth palette? This might be my fourth Juvia's Place palette, I think. But check out these colors. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh, and y'all, I like these. I know I jumped on the bandwagon real late for Juvia's Place, but hey, it be like that sometimes. I'm just doing some swatches for y'all here. And I freaking love my Juvia's Place palette. Woo. Girl, they just so pigmented, right? Ooh. So those are some of the colors. Girl, look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Yes. They are just so pigmented. And the ones that I found they blend very well. And I just like Juvia's Place. And I know, y'all, I just got rid of a whole bunch of palettes. I know, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go through and get rid of some more. How many palettes I just purchased, I'm going to go and I got to get rid of that many palettes. I really, really do have to get rid of that many palettes. And the crazy thing is that, I don't know, I think sometimes you just get tired. You just want to try something new. You know what I'm saying? But are y'all ready for this? Let me see what else I got to show y'all before I show y'all this. So from ColourPop, honey, I just want to mention this to y'all. I'm going to have to come back and let y'all really just see this palette. I'm probably going to do like a face of the day or something like that with this whole little get up here. This is from ColourPop, child. Your dreams came true, ColourPop. But that ain't even the thing. They wrapped the heck out of this. Feast your eyes, honey. Y'all, let me tell you. So I got an email about this set, and I was just like, I really don't need anything else, but the more I looked at it, and I was like, yo, I don't know. So this thing is just like right down the line of a color-friendly woman's makeup. So I was like, you know what? I gotta get it. I don't need to get it, but I gotta get it. So this is the Karachi, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Brown Sugar collection from ColourPop. Karachi ColourPop Brown Sugar. Girl, this is the palette, and the palette is, I've never tried ColourPop's eyeshadows, so this will be my first time trying their eyeshadows. So y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Girl, I'm gonna show y'all this if I can get it open. How gorgeous is this, y'all? Now you tell me, just tell me that that's not a woman of color friendly freaking palette. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is, when I saw it, I was just like, I was like, I really don't need any more. And I definitely didn't need these colors, y'all, but these colors were just so gorgeous. They were just calling my name. Check that out. These two here. But yeah, so I'm gonna do like a face of the day or something like that with y'all with this whole little set. I ordered the whole set, which is $65, because I was so interested in the lipsticks, girl. Now the lip glosses not so much, but the lipsticks definitely, because I'm really finicky about lip glosses. And I picked the whole set. Like I said, $65. So this is the which one is this? So 2 lip glosses came with it. Dumpling and Blowsy. Y'all know I can't hardly see this though, child. I be trying my best. I'm not gonna do swatches right now because I'm gonna come back later on and do swatches, and we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about this, y'all, because I really feel like this is gonna do. So I'm gonna do a dedicated video to this. But I just want to show it to you real quick because I'm gonna come back. Like when I come back, I'll do the swatches and stuff for you like that. It had 4 lipsticks, girl. One is called Brick. What is this? Some stuff I can see, some stuff I can't, y'all. Brick, cinnamon, chocolate, and butter, baby. I said baby, but butter. So 4 lipsticks, and look at the packaging, y'all. The packaging alone screams, oh, buy me, buy me, buy me. Don't the packaging scream buy me, y'all? Like for real, for real. So I'm gonna come back, like seriously, and do videos with y'all for that. Then we got also 3 of these cream gel colors. So cream gel liners. Y'all know I don't do the line in my eye thingy. Because sometimes, y'all, I'm going to tell you the truth. As you start to age, you really have to be careful with this eyeliner stuff. I see some women my age, you know, or older, and they put on eyeliner. And the minute they put that black eyeliner on, some eyeliner just ages them immediately. And I see it a lot, and I myself have seen it on myself before. That's why I really don't fool with eyeliners that much, because, and if I do, it'll just be the top line. I'm not gonna go in the other line, underline area, honey. Very rarely do I ever do that because it just does not work. It does not work. But anyway, these are gel liners, and the colors are really, I hadn't even looked at all these. Let me see. This is Rum. Let me see if I can. I think I gotta open them up though, y'all. Let me just see. So this is Rum, Nut. I like the names on these, right? Rum, Nut. Y'all see all these colors? Girl, yeah, I had to do something, honey. And the last eyeliner is Stew, which nearly look like the other ones to me. There's not a big difference in these gel liners, I don't think, as far as the color. I gotta look at them and see. Anywho, I want to share these items with y'all. Like I said, I will come back later on, do a dedicated video to the Brown Sugar by ColourPop, and let you know my thoughts and things like that. Like I said, this Lime Crime lip gloss, me and that might not make it. I don't know. So y'all be looking for another pretty big haul that I'm getting from Sephora. Y'all know it's that time of the year, and y'all know how we do. Hey, it's time to get them sales going. It's time to just buy stuff, because now it's a lot of stuff that you buy something, you get something free. It's a lot of stuff where you can buy kits now and just try multiple items out. So yeah, y'all get them dollars right, you know. And now, I mean, if we're gonna buy it anyway, why not buy it right now where we can save money and we can get additional things to go with it, you know. Like Julie's Place just had a 35% off. ColourPop had this for $65, which I would pay $65 for that, but it was really nice. I mean, it's a nice looking set, so why not? Anywho, y'all, that's what's new this time, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I'll holler back at y'all later. Bye, y'all.